Hello, APSC BYQA Part A, Year 2009, Question number 1 to 27, Paper 1, Channel Studies আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম। Question number 1, habeas corpus writ is associated with A. Anticipatory bail, B. Quashing the order of an administrative authority, C. An order of freedom of speech, D. Production of person before the court. The correct answer is D. Production of person before the court. Question number 2, drip irrigation is mostly practiced in India, especially for A. Tea and coffee, B. RCE, C. Wheat, D. Vegetables, Rabi crops. The correct answer is D. Vegetables, Rabi crops. Question number 3, Grey Revolution is associated with production of cement, B. Commercial production of eggs, C. Production of sweets, D. Steel production. The correct answer is A. Production of cement. Question number 4, the mass of an iron piece when rusting, A. May increase or decrease depending upon temperature, B. Decreases, C. Increases, D. Remains same. The correct answer is B. Decreases. Question number 5, the purest form of gold is A. 18 karat, B. 22 karat, C. 24 karat, D. 28 karat. The correct answer is C. 24 karat. Question number 6, the National Flood Control Program NFCP for flood control in India was launched in the year A. 1951, B. 1954, C. 1947, D. 1960. The correct answer is B. 1954. Question number 7, the Integrated Wasteland Development Program IWDP is sponsored by A. NABARD, B. Government of India, C. ASEAN Development Bank, D. UNO. The correct answer is B. Government of India. Question number 8, in which India state is the hill station Kodaikanal situated? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is C. Tamil Nadu. Question number 9, which is the longest river in Asia? A. River Surama, B. River Obi, C. River Ganga, D. River Brahmaputra. The correct answer is D. River Obi. Question number 10, what is the percentage of oxygen in the Earth's crust? A. 92, B. 50, C. 61, D. 21. The correct answer is D. 21. Question number 11, name the country which is known as the land of morning calm. A. Japan, B. Korea, C. Indonesia, D. Canada. The correct answer is B. Korea. Question number 12, what is the precise time taken by the Earth for one rotation? A. 24 hour, B. 24 hour 30 minutes, C. 23 hour 56 minutes 4.09 second, D. 24 hour 5 minutes 5.02 second. The correct answer is C. 23 hour 56 minutes 4.09 second. Question number 13, the total area of Assam is A. 80,645 square kilometer square, B. 78,438 square per kilometer, C. 79,012 square kilometer, D. 77,901 square kilometer. The correct answer is B. 78,438 square kilometer. Question number 14, the largest continent in the world is A. Europe, B. North America, C. Asia, D. Africa. The correct answer is C. Asia. Question number 15, Assam state enjoys A. Tropical climate, B. Hot climate, C. Warm climate, D. Cold climate. The correct answer is A. Tropical climate. Question number 16, Terai zone is situated at Assam's A. North zone, B. East zone, C. South zone, D. West zone. The correct answer is B. East zone. Question number 17, the national park of Assam where the rare white-winged duck Deoha is found is A. Nameri, B. Dibru Soikwa, C. Manas, D. Orang. The correct answer is A. Nameri. Question number 18, what is the name of the new island emerging out of the Bay of Bengal? A. Sonali, B. Dhankuli, C. Purvasa, D. Uttara. The correct answer is C. Purvasa. Question number 19, which of the following is related to international trade? A. Exim, B. IIP, C. FPOs, D. TQM. The correct answer is A. Exim. Question number 20, of the total geographical area of Assam, the total area under forest is A. 33 PC, B. 22 PC, C. 28 PC, D. 19 PC. The correct answer is B. 22 PC. Question number 21, world's largest producer of gold is A. Saudi Arabia, B. USA, C. South Africa, D. Canada. The correct answer is C. South Africa. Question number 22, when was Mizoram converted into a union territory? A. 1969, B. 1972, C. 1949, D. 1951. The correct answer is C. 1949. Question number 23, which is the world's longest railway line? A. Trans Siberian line, B. Texas Railway line, C. Train Austin line, D. Train American line. The correct answer is A. Train Siberian line. Question number 24, for a healthy adult Indian, the body mass index BMI should be in the range of A. 11.51 to 18, B. 18.5 to 24.9, C. 25 to 30, D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. 18.5 to 24.9. Question number 25, Black hole is an object to be found at the bottom of ocean. B, in the sky. C, inside a current carrying conductor. D, none of the above. The correct answer is B, in the sky. Question number 26. Minimum velocity required by a body to escape Earth's gravitation escape velocity is A, 9.5 kilometers per second, B, 11.2 kilometer per second, C, 13 kilometer per second, D, 24.25 kilometer per second. The correct answer is B, 11.2 kilometer per second. Question number 27. Which one of the following is not an operating system of computers? A, Sun OS, B, BSD, C, GNEXT per Linux, D, Windows NT. The correct answer is A, Sun OS. Thank you for watching my video.